MSc 4th semester, Department of Physics, MCM Devi College, Kangra. I am presenting my presentation on study on biodegradable plastics extracted from potato starch. These are the highlights of my presentation. Firstly, I will do the introduction, then applications of biodegradable plastics, objectives, materials and methods that we used, experiments that we did, results and conclusion. Firstly, coming to biodegradable plastics, I will give a general view about what are plastics. Plastics are synthetic versatile materials that are derived from polymers and designed from the petroleums. They are characterized by being molded when heated and maintaining its shape when they are cooled. That makes them very suitable for a wide variety of use. As we see in our daily day-to-day life, we are surrounded with plastics. Anything that we see, that we use in our day-to-day life are made up of plastics and by the products of plastics. On an average, an Indian person consumes around 11 to 13 kg of plastic products in an year. And with that consumption rate, we are now become the world's largest contributor to plastic waste. So, to tackle all these things, we find the alternatives for the plastics. And for this, we get biodegradable plastics. What are biodegradable plastics? These are plastics made from natural materials like starch that can decompose naturally through microorganisms like bacteria and starch, fungi. Why we use potato starch? Because it is easily available, a renewable source of energy, contains polysaccharides that is good for film formation and non-toxic for environment. The applications. Firstly, the packing material. The biodegradable plastics are used in packing materials, medical applications, disposal utensils and agricultural films. The advantages of biodegradable plastics. The main advantage is that it is environment friendly because it is made up of natural materials, so it is environment friendly, uses renewable sources, non-toxic and safe for disposal, reduces plastic pollution and compostable under natural conditions. The disadvantages of biodegradable plastics. Less durable than petroleum-based plastic. As we see, the conventional plastic are very durable and its lifelong span is very large. Sensitive to moisture and humidity. Shorter shelf life. As we see, the biodegradable plastics are very short lifespan. They have a lifespan of around 1 year. They can easily decompose in nearly that time. Higher cost at industrial scale. As we see, the biodegradable plastics are very costly. The making charges are very high for the biodegradable plastics. Objectives of our presentation. Firstly, to analyze the properties of biodegradable plastics, and second is to compare the biodegradable plastics with the conventional plastic. These are the materials that we used in our experiment. Firstly, potato starch, glycerol as plasticizer, acetic acid, distilled water, heat source, stirring equipments and molds or plates for shaping the plastics. These are the methods that we contain. Raw potatoes, then starch extraction, add starch with water, acetic acid and glycerol, heat the stir and mixture to form a gel, pour into molds and let it dry, analyze the result. So this is the experiment. Firstly, we take potatoes, around 2 kg potatoes, and then we peeled all the potatoes, then grated all the potatoes and collecting it. After washing all the grated potatoes, we grated the potatoes, and after grating all the potatoes, we put some water to extract the starch from the potatoes. After drying it about nearly 12 hours, it takes around 12 to 14 hours for all the potatoes to get in the starch form. And after drying all the starch that we contain, it forms a powder-like structure, powder-like form. We extract all the starch and then and then do the experiment. Firstly, we extract all the starch and weight it, and after we take distilled water, take glycerol and acetic acid. We mix all the glycerol, acetic acid and distilled water and the starch in a